Welcome to the Explainer. If you're looking to seriously elevate your media center, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're diving straight into a modular blueprint for deploying the highly rated Seren add-on. We're going to break down exactly how this Seren installation works, layer by layer, pulling directly from the wireless hack documentation. So let's just skip the fluff and get right into the structural mechanics of setting up this absolute powerhouse.
Okay, so what exactly is Seren? Well, think of it as a Kodi video add-on engineered specifically for advanced users. It lives inside the Nixgates Repository, and its entire architecture is built around utilizing premium services like Debrid and Tract to fetch your media links. So, this isn't your standard run-of-the-mill streaming tool. It's a highly specialized piece of software for users who know exactly what they want out of their setup.
To really grasp how Seren operates, we kind of have to contrast it with standard add-ons. You see, most typical Kodi add-ons just scrape the web for free links, right? Well, Seren completely flips that model on its head. It literally will not pull in free links on its own. Instead, it is strictly hardwired to be used with paid link options. If you're just hunting for free standard definition streams, honestly, the source notes you're better off using a different add-on altogether. Seren is all about that premium high-quality integration.
Now, before we start plugging in URLs, we really need to anchor this setup with an official compliance disclaimer from Wireless Shack. It clearly states, Kodi should only be used with content that is bought and owned personally, or is in the public domain. Wireless Shack explicitly notes that they have absolutely zero affiliation with Kodi, any add-ons or builds, and they do not support copyright infringement in any way. It's just super important to establish this realistic corporate baseline before we dive into the deployment.
Here's our quick roadmap for today's deployment. 1. Prerequisites. 2. Core installation. 3. Provider setup. 4. Debrid authorization. And 5. User feedback.
First up, Phase 1, Prerequisites. Let's get that environment prepped. For compatibility, you've got to be running Kodi version 20, that's Nexus, or version 21, Omega. And as for those paid link options we just talked about, you absolutely need an active account with a supported Debrid service before we even think about touching the system settings. The top services they highlight are Real Debrid, All Debrid, and Premium Eyes. Make sure you have one of those locked, loaded, and ready to go.
Moving right along to Phase 2, Core Installation. This is where we actually add Nixgates and Seren. We're going to start at the top left of your Kodi screen. Click that gear icon to open your system settings and head straight into the File Manager. On the left side, click Add Source and then click exactly where it says None. Okay, now type in this specific URL, https://nixgates.github.io/packages and hit OK. Right below that, you'll need to name this source Nixgates. Double check, actually triple check that every single character is spot on, and then hit OK.
Let's see how this builds out your add-on library. Head back to your main menu. Select Add-ons, and click the Package Installer icon. It kind of looks like a little open box up at the top left. Choose Install from Zip File. You're going to get a warning pop-up. No worries, just click Yes. Oh, and make sure your Unknown Sources setting is enabled, or else you get totally blocked right here. A box will pop open, select that Nixgate source we just created, and click on the file named repository.nixgates-2.2.0.zip. Just hang tight for a second until you see a little pop-up at the top right confirming the repo is installed.
Time to extract the actual add-on. Staying right there in the package installer, click Install from Repo. Find and select the Nixgates repo you literally just installed. Navigate into Video Add-ons, find Seren, and confidently hit Install. Boom! You've successfully completed the core installation. But hey, don't grab the popcorn just yet. We're not quite done.
Phase 3, Provider Setup. Let's get those scrapers installed.
I really want to emphasize why this step is absolutely crucial. If you stop right now, your shiny new Seren add-on is, well, essentially an empty shell. The documentation is super clear on this. Seren absolutely needs providers installed and set up. Otherwise, zero links will be found. Think of this specific patch as the actual engine of the add-on. Without it, you're going nowhere fast.
So, let's get that engine dropped in. Open up Seren and scroll down to select Tools. From that menu, hit Provider Tools, and then choose Manage Provider Packages. Finally, look over to the right side of your screen and select Install Package.
Here is the make or break moment, getting this next web location entered flawlessly. Select web location and a keyboard is going to pop up. Type in this exact address, http:// bit.ly/A4K scrapers and click OK. Hit Install on the pop-up box that appears and just wait for that incredibly satisfying successfully installed confirmation to show up before you click OK again. All right, your provider package is officially locked and loaded. Phase 4, Debrid authorization. Time to link up those premium services.
For this explainer, we're going to walk through the real Debrid setup, but keep in mind the steps are super similar for the other services too. Head back to your Seren Tools menu. This time select Open Settings menu. Over on the left-hand side, click Accounts. In the Real Debrid box, you'll want to toggle Enable Real Debrid to On. Once that's active, look right inside that same box and select Authorize Real Debrid.
Okay, watch out for this crucial little detail, 900. When you click Authorize, a PIN code will pop up on your screen. You have exactly 900 seconds, which is just 15 minutes, to verify your device before that PIN completely expires. It definitely adds a fun little ticking clock element to the deployment, right?
Here's the final handoff. Grab your smartphone or just open a web browser on your computer and navigate to real-debrid.com/device. You'll see a prompt asking for a code. Just type in the PIN number that's currently displaying on your Kodi screen and click Allow. After that, you can name and save the setup right there on the Real Debrid website. And with that, your Debrid setup is fully authenticated and ready to rock.
Finally, Phase 5, User Feedback. Let's look at some real-world troubleshooting.
Checking actual field reports gives us a really grounded view of what to watch out for. Browsing the comments section on Wireless Hack, we can spot a few points of real-world friction. For instance, one anonymous user claimed the add-on does not work with Kodi 20, even though the documentation clearly states it's compatible. Another user, going by the name Willie Drips, reported getting a very specific coding error. It was a type error not supported between instances of str and int. And finally, a user named Andrew Martinez noted that while the add-on works perfectly fine for him, he ran into a sorting bug where he literally couldn't view his tracked movie collection alphabetically. Honestly, it's always super helpful to know what minor bugs might be lurking out there in the wild.